Alright YouTube, welcome back for another video here. Today we're unboxing the Blade Inductrix Switch with the Switch Air Wing and the little hovercraft. So we're going to see what we got here in the box. Just got it delivered like not even 30 minutes ago. I'm going to cut her open here, see what we got right from Horrizon. HorrizonHobby.com is where I got this. So right off the bat, I see a box inside of a box. Box inside of a box. A lot of packaging. And another box inside of a box. So that's empty now. I'm assuming right here we're going to have our replacement wing for the Inductrix Switch Air. Oh, there it is. Just a little wing taped to the box. Let's pull this open and see what we got here. Alright, so what we got? We got some plastic clips, it looks like, and maybe some double-sided tape. Not too sure what that's for. Figure that out in a second. And then we just got our basic little wing here. Nothing too fancy there. Alright. Put that wing there. Here we go. 2 vehicles in one for land or air. We got the hovercraft there. Haven't seen that yet. And then the wing, which is right here. And then there's the little micro drone. Easy to fly, durable, snap together. No tools or glue. Where'd I put that knife? Cut this open. Let's see what we got. Alright, so we open the box right up. Everything's covered. Look at that. Controller, drone, right there. Look, it's already pre-installed. Look at that, one piece comes straight out. Let that flip out of here. Go, get out. Manuals, looks like. And then a 2-piece at the bottom. Looks like we got a little USB charger. Over there. Got just a basic controller, transmitter. Nothing too fancy. 4-channel. Cool. Comes with batteries. Here's the hovercraft piece, so you got the 2 props going down that are going to displace the air through all these little holes. And you got 2 in the back for forward momentum. Thrust, I guess you could call it. And then here's our little tiny itty bitty battery. I'm going to plug that in right now. Get this set up and get this charging. Because we're also going to be doing a Maiden flight video here shortly. So that's everything right out of the box. We got our little plastic bit, double-sided tape it looks like. Got our wing, got our transmitter, batteries, and the drone. I'm going to bring that up a little closer. Look at that. That's just pretty cool. I didn't expect to be able to use a drone as a hovercraft. That's something I'm kind of excited about. Be able to fly this thing around my room. Fly it in my room. Shortly you'll see that with just the drone, and then we're also going to fly with the airplane here. So I'm going to do a little reading, do a little homework on what we got here, and then I'll come back and show you what I learned and show you Maiden flight. Alright everyone, I am back. I'm on the ground now. I'm going to show you how I set this up. It says how to bind the plane and set it up right on the back of the transmitter there, so it's pretty bound already. You just need to basically turn on in this pattern, which is disconnect the battery from the 5-in-1 unit, turn the transmitter off, plug the battery into the receiver. After 5 seconds the LED will begin flashing. Push down on the left stick. This left stick has kind of like an Xbox controller. You can push in this analog stick. So you push that stick in. When you push it in, you turn the transmitter on at the same time, so push it in, turn it on, like that. Release the stick and move the throttle down to the lowest position, so down to the lowest. Alright, so That's turned off. We're gonna get this little lead right here. This little guy. Get our battery. And I think she goes in like so. So there's two little prongs. I don't know if you'll be able to see them. Two little silver contacts. They go facing down, it looks like. Nope, I was wrong. They go facing up. The two silver prongs go facing up. Plug those in. There's the green light. Now how do I... Alright. There's a red dot right there. And a red dot right there. That's how you know. Slide the battery in first. Like so. The red dot's on the bottom, so we're going to go like this. Plug it in. Set it right on the ground here. There's your green light. We're going to push the stick down, turn it on, release the stick, and put it in the lowest position. Now I should have power. But I got nothing. Oh, there we go. So you push the button in. This is your arm and disarm. Like the Xbox controller, when you push that in, you arm. When you push it down, you disarm. So if I go forward, it's all right stick, it looks like. Whoa, this is my first time, so it's kind of weird. So your right stick doesn't, or left stick doesn't do anything, it's just all right stick. Go full right, doesn't really do anything, but you gotta give it a little forward and then you can go. Alright, here's full speed, ready? Full speed. Oh. It's pretty fun. It's like bumper cars. It's actually a lot harder than I thought it would be. It's like it's like a jet ski. If anyone's ever been on a jet ski, you know you need to give it gas to turn. That's how this is. Like if I just turn, it won't go. You gotta give it some gas. I feel like this would be great on like a cement floor or a. This time we're just gonna be flying just the drone. We just did the hovercraft. So we're going to set this up really quickly, slide the battery in, plug her in, make sure the red are red. I'm careful with these prongs on the plug from the drone. I already bent them. I just opened this thing like, I don't know, 20 minutes ago, and I already bent them when I was trying to hook it up. Push this down, turn it on, let go. Now, I didn't know it, but when I first went to try with the wing, previously you didn't see this, but I didn't know that you can change it from hovercraft mode to drone mode. Well, it was still in hovercraft mode and I went to fly and it just kept flipping over. To change it from mode to mode, you hold it like this, or I believe like this, for 10 seconds. It says it in the manual, and then it'll switch to color in which it shows. But why isn't it? Okay, solid blue, that means I'm in the safe beginner mode. I'm gonna power up. Here we go, Maiden flight. Okay, whoa, she's going straight to the ceiling. Barely gave her any throttle and she went straight to the ceiling. So far so good though, other than that little kiss of death. She keeps doing that, like I'm not changing my throttle. And then all of a sudden it'll just drop out. See that? Not bad. Really controllable, honestly. Being so new, I mean, I'm not really crashing all over the place like I thought. Yeah, I don't know why it keeps doing that. Not bad. I don't understand. Try more. Whoa! Okay, so this is the Trix flight mode. Fully unlimited. Whoa. Okay, that went really bad, really quick. Disarm. I think one of these things moved. Now she's flying all over the place. There we go. Yeah, I think one of them just moved. I'd say it's hard to fly stable like this. Is kind of hard to do. I don't know why, but it keeps cutting in and out. This is the most stable it's flown so far, as you've seen. It's pretty good. I think that's what's taking me out of the sky, is when I do all this banking stuff. Maybe I have to compensate for that? I don't know. There you have it. There's the size of it right there. Let's see if we can launch from hand. Yeah. Everyone, I'm back with the last little piece of our micro drone video here. I got the drone half taken apart, ready to get put onto the wing. So as you see, there's these two vertical tabs and then 2 outside tabs. The 2 on the inside are going to go right where the propeller would attach to the drone. So I want to make sure my wires are on the outside of these 2 tabs, like so. And I'll place it in there and slide it where the propeller would go on those 2 tabs. Let's get that on there. There we go. And then same thing, the little like points on these tabs for the propeller are going to be going facing up. You can't put them on backwards, so don't worry about doing that. Get this on. I'm going to use this bench as my little runway here. The thing I've noticed, I've already tried to fly it and I couldn't get it to take off from just the ground. So I'm going to just try to take it off of this bench. I'm probably not going to have enough room in the right here, but try to do something for you because it's a little too windy outside to be flying this little tiny thing around. So I'm just trying to get something on film to show you guys exactly how I'm doing this. Slide the battery in, the red dot on the battery facing down. Here we go. Be careful plugging this in like I said before. There's that. Green light. We're in drone mode. Push this down. Click it on. Should get some beepage. Honestly, like I said, I don't think this is going to be enough room to fly, but let's give it a go. We're live. Whoa. Calm down there. Alright, let's try that again. That was beginner pilot error. Oh, come on. Oh, under the bench. See, this is what keeps happening. I don't know why. It'll just go to the floor like this. Pull back on the stick and I can kind of get it to go up. It's just hard. It doesn't have enough. It's like the plane doesn't have enough thrust to like climb. You gotta like step it and it's kind of hard. just like constantly losing altitude. Real quick, I'm going to show you how fast it is to disassemble this. So we're just going to slide it apart. Let me sit down. Boom, get that off. And then all you got to do is just like give the blades a little like twist back and forth, and it pops right off. Show you there, give it a little twisty, and then it slides right down. There you go. Wing coming at you. Alright, make sure you put the left on the left and the right on the right. Clip that back in there. Clip that in there. Place it down. Arm it, and we're flying. That's how fast it takes to switch from one to the other. Not that long at all. Alright everyone, thanks for watching my video on the new micro blade Inductrix, or whatever, however you say it. I'm going to have a video posted soon on the status update for the Carbon Cub. Had a little mishap with that the other day. The parts should have been shipped today, maybe tomorrow. The one piece I need, which you'll find out on the next video, was back ordered until the early February, so I got charged for it today. So I think that means that they're going to be shipping it soon. We'll see. Stay tuned, more to come on the Carbon Cub, why we're not flying, what it needs to be flying again, and some wish I would have knowns about the Carbon. That would have been nice. Wish I would have had them in my first video, but always got time to make more, so I'm making a second video on the Carbon Cub, which should be out in the next week or so after I post this one tonight. So thanks again, hit that like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and drop some feedback in the comments below. It's Fourthwind RC heading out. Thanks for tuning in.